We had talked about this a few episodes ago. Are you keeping your music as a hobby because you think there's no money in it, or because you think there's no money in it, are you keeping it a hobby? You know, it's all about your mindset on which one you think is what.
I've gotten to the point where I don't even care about the psychology of it, because here's the thing. It's the words that are said, right? It's the, I don't care about money and all that crap. Like that's the language, like straight up firm to the point. Like, I don't give a shit about making money. I just want to have fun, and I'm not taking this seriously. So there it is, right? No, point blank, period. So to me, it's like trying to even get behind the psychology of it is a waste of fucking time.
It's because they're hyper institutionalized.
And the funny thing that when you say that they're institutionalized, they believe that they're not. See, they think that they think more so that I'm the one being more institutionalized because I want to go out here and make money at music.
Well, yeah, the brainwashed often don't realize they're brainwashed. You know, the crazy people in society are labeled crazy because they think differently and stuff like that. It's a standard trope.
Yeah, and it's like you got to be okay and you got to advocate for you can have a job and do music and make money at music and have a job. Like, he's like, man, look, I'm not trying to fucking work for nobody else like that. Fuck you. I want to work. I want to play music. I want to get out there and make money at music. That's why I'm into tax. That's why I joined Taxi Music. That's why I fucking love doing this podcast. That's why I fucking practice my drums an hour a day. You know what I'm saying? Because I fucking want to get out here and do this shit. That's why I started recording. That's why I'm listening to music and learning about this fucking business, because I love this shit. And this is what I want to make money at doing. I'm not trying to do all these other jobs. I don't give a fuck about trying to, yeah, I love fashion, but I'm not really trying to get out there and sell no goddamn clothes. Fuck that. I'm not, and I fucking mean that shit, dude. Like, if I'm going to work out, I'm not trying to work out and come fucking make a goddamn fitness video. No, I'm working out because I want to get behind the kid and have some fucking stamina when I'm getting fucking stupid and busy on behind that motherfucker. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to sit up there and do all that shit. Yeah, I wear the clothes because I like to look fucking good.
Yeah.
You know, but no, my heart,
yeah.
Exactly. But my heart is fucking dude. I want to play music. That's what the fuck I love doing. I don't want to do. Man, I get so sick and tired of people just they make this funky ass excuse about, well, if you want to make it, dude, make it a goddamn hobby. I'm not mad about that, but don't fucking chastise me because I want to fucking make money at this shit.
They advocate mediocrity because they're minimally minded.
Yeah,
they're simple-minded motherfuckers, and they can't see beyond anything.
Maybe I'm not about to start digging into the psychology of it. My bad.
No, it's a lottery mindset, right?
Yeah.
So they're either like, oh, I'm just going to sit over here and chill in my mediocrity, or, man, one day we can get signed by a label and then we're good. All those people, they settle for mediocrity because they're too afraid to push themselves just a little bit outside of their comfort zone. I'm not even talking about going way out of their comfort zone, about quitting their job and moving to fucking LA and starting a rock band like Axl Rose did or like Shannon Hoon did that are from where I live at right now. You ain't got to do all that shit, but you can still think outside the box. Take some steps that somebody else is not doing.
Shout out to my man Matt Vanderbo, who's a fucking composer, amazing composer here up in Idaho, Nampa, Idaho, and I fucking met at the rally, man, and my man's kicking ass, and he does bodybuilding and shit, and he's ripping it up, man. They got killer music out there, you know what I'm saying? And he's able to live his life, man. And that's the thing, like, people don't think that you can do that, but you truly can. You don't have to get out there and try to be Beyonce. You don't have to get out there and be the fucking Rolling Stones. You truly fucking don't, man. I'm telling people that, and they thinking that I'm just, blowing smoke in their fucking ass, and I'm not, dude. I'm just, it's just fucking frustrating, man. It's like, do you even understand? Like, I don't sit here and complain about the investments I make into this shit. I just get there and do the goddamn work. The funny thing is that I actually enjoy what I do. And that's why I continue to try to encourage other artists to get out there and do the shit. I'm not telling y'all how to live your lives. I'm telling you that if you want to make a life if you want to make a living doing music, you truly can. That's all I'm saying. That's that's what every one of us are saying. All the fucking, from Rick Barker to Brandman Network to Burstamo to fucking Damian Keys, every single one of them. All they're telling you guys is that if you want to make money at music, you can. You just got to do the goddamn work. It's it.
And that's what a lot of people don't want to do. They don't want to do that work. They don't want to take 3, 4, 10 years to fucking get to a point where they're self-funded. You know, they don't want to go through all of that because that's too difficult. It's much easier for them to just work their job and then chill and have fun, you know?
Yep.
Hey, man, you know, KP, why are you hitting on me, man? I just want to, you know, be a retail associate of this music store and then, you know, on Friday and Saturdays, go out to the bar and fucking play some music and have a couple of drinks, man. I just want to live my life like that. Okay, fine. Go over there, you mental midget, and be a mediocrity motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. I'm not hating on him for it. I'm just saying, hey, you're a mental midget. Okay, fine. I know who you are. You know who I am. Now we've established that. We're going to keep talking to these people, and a lot of them, and 90% of them are going to be like, oh, no, that ain't for me. Oh, this, oh, that, you know, all these mediocrity excuses. And then shit's going to hit a fan at some point in their life. Something's going to switch, and in about 50% of them, and they're going to be like, hey, so what should I do? And then that's where we're right here being like, hey, start at episode 1. And when you catch up to the most recent, let me know. You know what I'm saying? And then go from there. Like, show me that you're willing to fucking work for it. I want you to go listen to all the episodes until current day of my podcast. And then holla at me. And what's going to happen is if they actually want to go and take that step and do it, once they start listening to episodes, they're going to start messaging you about something that was said on the episode. And then you know they're fucking serious. You know what I'm saying? Because these type of people, man, they're just going to come up with excuses. They're going to want a quick fix. They're going to want that quick shot, that quick hit. You know, they just want, just solve my problems real quick for me, man. I don't want to spend money, but I don't want to have to work for it either. I just want to fix. Can you fix it? You know what I'm saying? No, can't. Sorry. Because I've been working for years to try to fix my fucking life, and I'm still grinding on that fucking shit.
Exactly.